Condoms are essential for safe sex. They prevent sexually transmitted infections and unwanted pregnancies. Their journey from raw materials to a small, discreet package is a fascinating one. Understanding this process highlights the importance of quality and reliability in every single condom. The primary material in most condoms is latex. Latex is a natural product that has been used for decades due to its flexibility and durability. It forms the base of many protective products, ensuring safety and reliability. This comes from the sap of rubber trees. These trees are primarily found in tropical regions, where they are cultivated and tapped for their valuable sap. The process of tapping involves making incisions in the bark to collect the sap. The sap, a milky fluid, is harvested and processed to create latex. This fluid undergoes several stages of refinement to ensure it meets the high standards required for medical and protective products. Other ingredients, like vulcanizing agents, are added to give the latex its strength and elasticity. Vulcanization is a chemical process that enhances the durability of latex, making it more resistant to wear and tear. Lubricants and spermicides are sometimes added for comfort and additional protection. These additives ensure that the final product is not only safe, but also comfortable to use, providing an extra layer of security and ease. The manufacturing process begins with dipping. This initial step is crucial as it sets the foundation for the entire production process. The molds are meticulously cleaned and prepared to ensure that the latex adheres properly. Metal molds shaped like condoms are dipped into a tank of liquid latex. The latex used is a specially formulated mixture designed to provide the right balance of elasticity and strength. The thickness of the latex is carefully controlled. Quality control measures are in place to ensure that each mold receives an even coating. This involves precise measurements and adjustments to the dipping process. After dipping, the molds are rotated to ensure even coating. This rotation helps to distribute the latex uniformly across the surface of the molds, preventing any weak spots or inconsistencies. This process is repeated multiple times to achieve the desired thickness. Each layer of latex adds to the overall strength and durability of the final product. Once the latex has been applied, the molds move through a drying tunnel. This step is essential to remove any excess moisture and to begin the curing process. Here, the latex is vulcanized, a process that uses heat and sulfur to transform the liquid latex into a strong, elastic material. Vulcanization is a critical step that enhances the durability and elasticity of the latex, making it suitable for its intended use. The condoms are then carefully removed from the molds, leaving behind seamless, thin films of latex. This final step requires precision to ensure that the latex films are not damaged during removal, maintaining their integrity and quality. Ensuring strength and reliability. Each condom undergoes rigorous testing. This includes electronic testing for holes and visual inspections for imperfections. Water leak tests are performed to further guarantee their effectiveness. Any condom that fails these tests is discarded. Only condoms meeting the highest standards move on to the final stages. Packaging and final checks. The finished condoms are meticulously rolled, ensuring they are free from any defects. They are then lubricated if necessary to enhance comfort and effectiveness during use. Following this, they are carefully packaged to maintain their integrity. Each package includes an expiration date and detailed instructions for use, ensuring that consumers are well informed. The expiration date is crucial as it guarantees the condom's effectiveness up to that point. Before leaving the factory, samples from each batch undergo further rigorous quality control tests. These tests are designed to detect any potential weaknesses or defects that could compromise safety. This ensures that every condom that reaches the consumer meets the highest safety and reliability standards. The inspection process is thorough, involving both automated and manual checks. The journey of a condom, from latex to love, is a complex one. It begins with the careful selection of raw materials and continues through a series of precise manufacturing steps. This journey is a testament to the importance of quality control. Each stage is monitored to ensure that the final product is safe and effective. Every step in the process is crucial to ensure that condoms provide the protection they promise. From the initial stages of production to the final packaging, attention to detail is paramount. This dedication to quality ensures that consumers can trust the products they use. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more exciting content, updates, and new uploads from Manufactour straight to your feed.